Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make salted caramel chocolate chip cookies. They're crisp and chewy caramel flavored cookies with chocolate chips. They're drizzled with caramel sauce and sprinkled with coarse salt. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and dark brown sugar, and cream them with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture is light and pale. Then add in the egg that's at room temperature, egg yolk also at room temperature, and vanilla extract. Mix them until they're combined and beat it on high speed for another minute. Then add in the caramel sauce. I'm using my homemade salted caramel sauce, and I'll link to one of my videos showing how to make it in the description box. Mix it in. Scrape down the sides. And continue mixing. Add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda. I'm rubbing it between my hands to get rid of lumps, salt, and chocolate chips, and mix them in by hand until they're combined and there's no more dry flour. You can bake these right away, but for best flavor, let them rest before baking. So scoop the dough out onto a sheet pan. I find 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie is the perfect size. Wrap the pan in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for a few hours or overnight, and they will develop more flavor over that time. And they will last in the fridge for up to 1 week, or you can freeze them for up to 4 months, and you can just pull out a couple whenever you like and bake them. At least 15 minutes before you're ready to bake them, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Pull out the chilled cookies and place them onto an ungreased sheet pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart. And bake them in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes until the edges are starting to lightly brown. When they're done, remove them from the oven. And I like to bang the pan a few times to flatten out the cookies so they're not so puffy. Let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. Transfer them to a cooling rack. And place a sheet of parchment paper or aluminum foil underneath the cooling rack. Then warm up the caramel slightly in the microwave, just enough so it's runny, but not until it's super hot. And drizzle some of the caramel all over the top of the cookies. And sprinkle them with some coarse salt. Let them cool for a few minutes, and you can serve them still warm or completely cooled. And that's how to make salted caramel chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.